Special tents are now up at March Air Reserve Base as well.
And that's where nearly 200 Americans are still under quarantine. NBC4's Tony Shin is live at the base right now with some new information about the masks that travelers are wearing, a lot of them now for protection. Tony.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Chuck and Colleen. We wanted to find out if you put on a mask like this one and you walk around a crowded area like an airport, or if you go to a mall, would it help protect you from the coronavirus? Well, the answer may surprise you. Over the weekend, the CDC put up these 3 large tents near the tarmac at March Air Reserve Base. Health officials say they will be used for American passengers who may be diverted here from China, trying to escape the deadly coronavirus, which has killed hundreds and infected thousands of others, mostly in China.
There is temporary housing in case they have to do something like a touch and go or a preliminary screening or some way of just having people there so we know where they're at.
Right now, health officials at March are currently monitoring 195 U.S. government workers and their families who flew in last week. They are under a 2-week quarantine order to ensure that they do not have the virus. They are staying at the base hotel, which has been cordoned off.
People are just trying to get along and lead whatever kind of normal life they can under the circumstances.
As the number of cases continues to rise around the world, more and more travelers are wearing masks, like the N95, which is the mask we wear while covering brush fires.
What an N95 mask means is it filters out 95% of particles below a certain size threshold.
But Dr. Kaiser says most of the masks don't work against the coronavirus.
The problem with these masks is these generally need to be fit tested properly. You need to have a good seal around here.
Dr. Kaiser says the special masks that do properly seal the mouth and nose can't be worn for a long period of time.
When I'm sitting there seeing patients in the office, I can maybe get 15-20 minutes before I'm out of breath, and I'm in good health.
At LAX, we saw signs advertising masks for sale at $40 a piece. Dr. Kaiser says all you are buying is a false sense of security.
Please don't make our lives more difficult by buying something that actually isn't protecting you.
So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, Dr. Kaiser says it's just like preventing the flu. Wash your hands as often as you can, and if you cough or sneeze, make sure you cover your mouth and your nose so that way you don't spread your own germs. That's the latest from here. Reporting live at March Air Reserve Base, I'm Tony Shin, NBC4 News.